What was it? Huh?
Don't look at me.
No, what was it?
It was black when it flew past me.
But what is it called?
Oh, I see one. Oh, no. That's a dragonfly. It's a dragonfly.
Oh, yeah?
And it got a light past me. And I see one over there. Look.
What is it? Oh, is that a lightning bug?
Mhm.
Yeah? Let's
It's
see.
not getting me.
Oh, there it is. I found it.
Yeah, it went.
Yep, there's a lightning bug.
I heard that back. But I can see it.
I know, they ran away, didn't they? Or
Yeah.
flew away.
I saw
Oh,
that.
there's one.
Yeah.
Do you see it? See it?
Yes.
Oh, you see them?
Yes.
Look, they're flying around. Yeah. Oh, they went away.
I gotta see the cat.
What did you say that the bats do around the lights?
They eat bugs.
Yeah? Do they fly towards the lights because the bugs are over there?
Yeah, I see one. I see one.
Yeah? Oh, that's a lightning bug.
Woo.
You want to catch it? Catch it. Be nice to it. What? If you take your hands and you just cup them like this, then you can catch it like this, Jude. Look. Just make a little circle with your hands. Okay? Try to catch one. Look, there's some all over the yard. Just look around and you'll see the little green lights. Oh, there's another bat.
I said,
You see them?
yes.
Go catch some.
They're coming towards the light. They went towards our light. Mommy, they went towards our light.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one.
I'm trying to catch it. Bat! A bat! That's the light.
Whoa. That bat flew really close, huh?
Yeah, I saw green light.
Yeah?